everybody. Good afternoon. Are you planning to design, build, remodel, do a kitchen project? Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Sloan. I'm your local residential realtor with Cipsy Klein, and this is the SloanSellsHomes.com open house on 55 KRC. And today we're talking about doing something different in your home. We love the idea. As a real estate agent, I love the fact when you update your home, because when you go to sell, you're going to get some money back. You have that wow factor that buyers are looking for. There is something happening that you need to know about, and I've got the guy to help us talk all about it. Design Build Cincinnati will be at Music Hall Grand Ballroom Saturday and Sunday, October 27th and 28th, and you can go. And joining us today is Doug Hart. You're the owner and founder of Design Build Cincy.
Hi, yes I am, Michelle. We
Welcome.
founded the show, thank you, 5 years ago.
And you know what? I went to this show last year and I was so impressed because it's different than anything else out there. It's not the home and garden show. It's not the giant show where you're going to have thousands and thousands of vendors. This is really different. Explain what Design Build Cincy is all about.
Michelle, I have a long history in opening new shows, launching new shows, and even running the home and garden show in my past. But I knew there was a market, or a niche even, for a smaller, more focused show on architecture and design. We don't even have home show in our name, but we're a home show with over 100 vendors who normally don't do other home shows. These are architects, designers of all kinds, interior to kitchen designers, fabricators and craftsmen, contractors and suppliers to the residential and small commercial market.
It's very different because it is very specialized.
Really what we try to find out is, do these vendors, or are these products that these vendors make or sell specified by architects and designers?
And that's what's different about it. So artisans, craftsmen, designers, people who make things, true artists who make furniture, who may make cabinetry.
Our vendors who are craftsmen slash artisans slash fabricators slash makers, there's lots of different names for these people. The professional name that I use is fabricators. So they're woodworkers or metal workers or furniture makers. We have, I think, dozens of those types of vendors at the show. Many of them have an art background, certainly not all. We have one company that's a woodworking company, and all 4 of the principals are former chefs who decided to get into woodworking.
Wow. So tell me, are they all pretty much local?
For the most part, and that's another thing that makes us special maybe. There are design shows in big cities around the country that, the LA or New York, where they have design brands from around the world exhibiting in their show. That's not going to happen in Cincinnati, but the way you get design is through local architects and designers, like I mentioned earlier, but also these local fabricators who make things.
Yeah, it's really cool. We went to the show, and then we went and had a few drinks, and we had dinner reservations, and we really made a huge date out of it.
And there's even more restaurants, as far as I can tell, this year.
Oh,
so
there
there's
is
plenty of places to go.
And you have a speaker series, so soapbox speaker series, and that's when you probably do want to double check the designbuildcincy.com website just to see all of the speakers. So you want to highlight a few of the speakers. You have speakers on Saturday and Sunday, so you may want to pick and choose who you want to see or hear. Tell me a little bit about our speakers this year.
We have 2 stages on Saturday, only 1 on Sunday. The Soapbox Series stage is mostly architects and designers, and that's Saturday and Sunday. And the Meet the Maker stage is just on Saturday. By the way, admission to the speakers is included with your ticket, so there's no extra cost for any of these seminars. And then you can come and go as you please when you're attending these seminars. I do want to emphasize that seating is pretty limited, especially in the Meet the Maker stage, but also at the Architects and Designer or the Soapbox stage. So check us out online at designbuildcincy.com if you want to see a list of presentations.
Yeah, some of the highlights are conversations in design, building stories of people, future living. I like the future living. I think that's going to be cool. In the Meet the Maker stage, the adventures of an artist / blacksmith. This is so cool. The other one was there's something about modern furniture. The
from Sediment Design.
Yeah, so fun. I mean, tell me about, I know you don't want to really single out any one vendor because you have over 100 vendors, but tell me a couple of them just so that we get a taste of what we're looking at.
You know, on the supplier side, I'm thinking about what Rookwood Pottery is going to do in their booth.
Nice.
They're going to build some sort of shower system, obviously using their tile. I don't know what exactly that means. You'll just have to come to the show to see or go to their website to learn more. That sounds pretty exciting. They're also doing a presentation. I think it's on Saturday. Check our website out because I don't have it memorized. On the fabricator side, it's hard to single out any one particular company because we have several metal workers.
Right.
And most of them do gates and do railings and furniture, but they all have a different style. We have lots of woodworkers, and most of them build cabinetry, though some just build furniture. So it's hard to single out one. We have artisans that even make mosaic pieces for your home, and other specialty type artists. A lot of our fabricators, I think, have a formal training in the arts from a college degree and go into the functional side of it as opposed to the creating art just for art's sake.